These days, Facebook doesn't feel the same anymore. Too much noise, too many ads, and sometimes, too little privacy. Maybe you're tired of the endless scrolling, the drama, or just want a fresh start away from social media. Whatever your reason is. Today, I'll show you exactly how to permanently delete your Facebook account the right way. No confusion, no mistakes, just a simple and secure method to finally take control of your digital space. Let's get started. Open your Facebook app and click on the menu icon. Then scroll down to Settings and Privacy and tap on it. Click on Settings once again. Tap on the See More in Account Center. Under the Account Center option. Then scroll down to the Account Settings section. And select Personal Details. Tap on the Account Ownership and Control option. Select Deactivation or Deletion option. Now, tap on the particular account you want to delete. If you have more than one accounts, going for this first option will deactivate your account temporarily. But you can reactivate it if you want. And going for this second option will delete your Facebook account permanently. So, after clicking on the second option, tap on Continue. And Facebook will send you an email for you to confirm if you are the one who wants to delete the account. All you have to do is to follow the on-screen instructions to delete your account permanently. And that's it. Your Facebook account is now permanently deleted. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Highly Practicals, and turn on the notification bell, so you never miss more smart tech tips and practical tutorials like this. Share this video with someone who's also planning to delete their Facebook account, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay smart, stay practical.